political factors are also influencing in the price movement of the share market. Political situation, political ideologies, and the rule of the government, the rule of the government are mainly responsible for the changes in the price movement. In political situation means not only in the national level and in the international level, the political situations are playing a very vital role in the movement of prices of the share market. When we take into consideration the national political situation, first thing is the stability of the government. In a totalitarian setup, where we are having the socialist pattern of society or communist government, the government is stable. But in a democratic country, the stability is under question. In most of the democratic countries, now we are having the coalition government. The coalition government stability is also under question. When the government has got absolute majority, the government is stable. Or when the government is ruled by a single party in a democratic setup with absolute majority, the stability is there. But whatever it may be, they have to face election every 5 years or every 4 years. During the time of the election, there is a chance of change of government. Even the case of the advanced countries, every election the government is changing. Even the case of countries like India, uh, we had the stable government for a long period. After 80s, we are having the government are changing every 5 years or every 10 years. When the government is changing, the policy of the government will also be changing. The support of the government for some particular industry or particular sector will also be changing. When the political situation is changing, the price movement will also be taking as per the changes in the political setup. Not only in the case of the particular country's political changes, the international political situation is also considered to be the most important thing. Changes in the political system of some leading countries like USA. In the case of USA, every 4 years they used to have this presidential election. In the presidential election, there is alternatively, or every 4 years or every 10 years, the ruling party of the president is also changed. The whims and fancies of the president and his political party is mainly responsible for changing the price of shares, not only in the case of United States of America, throughout the world. In addition to that, due to some reason, the war is taking place. When the First World War and Second World War were taking place in the world, the share market were in the lowest ever. At present, we are having war in some part of this world due to some reason. Recent years' wars are due to this oil. Whenever there is a war, the oil supply is curtailed. Oil supply is essential for in almost all countries for energy. Oil is a major source of energy. When oil is a major source of energy, due to war, the supply of petroleum products is disturbed. When there is a disturbance in the movement of oil from one country to another country, or when the total global supply is curtailed, the price of oil is increasing tremendously. Due to that, the entire world is having inflation. The oil-driven inflation is mainly responsible for the inflation in almost all countries. When we are having the inflation situation due to war, the price movement will also be taking place in the direction in which the market is expected to behave. The war is considered to be a disturbing factor for the share market. Whenever the war is taking place in one part of this world, the entire economic activities, the growth of the GDP, the growth of the per capita income are also coming down. When such things are taking place, People are not interested in investing in the share market. They want to keep their assets in their liquid form or in some other form which is considered to be a stable form for them. In addition to that, change in the ideology of the some prominent or predominant country. Previously, almost all countries were in the capitalistic pattern. Before the Great Depression, almost all countries were following the market mechanism or capitalistic order. But after the success of Union of Soviet Socialist Republic under this planning era, most of these countries, especially the East European countries, started to adopt a new policy that is known as the communist ideology for their economic development. When countries like Union of Soviet Socialist Republic was considered to be a model, an eye-opener for quicker economic development through planning, most of the East European countries followed this thing that's known as the communist pattern of economic development. Even the case of India, we followed the socialistic pattern of society. When the government is going for this government sector or government-driven economic activity, the activities of the share market is considered to be very little, and the movement of share prices were also considered to be minimum. Contrary to this, after the disintegration of Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, most of these East European countries, also including China, they adopted this market mechanism or capitalist order of production. When China, a leading communist country, opted for this market mechanism or the capitalist ideology, the entire world has changed. The global market situation has also changed. Now China is considered to be the major producer, and almost all countries are depending upon the Chinese product, the cheaper product. China is also interested in attracting the foreign institutional investors and also foreign direct investment. The global situation has changed enormously, and the institutional investors of all countries are ready to go to China for making profit. The change in the ideology of the leading countries like China, that is the country which is considered to be the major producer of almost all products, is mainly responsible for changing the economic situation and the price movement of shares in countries like India also. Say every day when the share market opens, the Chinese market is also, the Asian markets are taken into consideration for the Indian share market. When the Asian market, including China, is having a downward trend, the Indian share market is also having a downward trend. When the European markets are having a downward trend, the Indian market is also having a downward trend. Contrary to this, the Asian market and the world market, European markets are having an upward trend. Indian share market is also having an upward trend. The political factors, both national as well as the international political situation, are considered to be the important factor for guiding this thing that's known as the price movement in the share market. Now, after this thing that is known as the globalization, now the entire world is interconnected, there is the entire world is interconnected. The price movement and the institutional investors are investing in every part. Wherever the profit is more, they are coming to even the advanced countries. Institutional investors are also coming to the developing countries, and they want to make profit. When they want to make profit, the buying and the selling pressure of the institutional investors are also very important in deciding the price movement, both the upward as well as the downward movement in the share market. Everybody should be very careful in analyzing the political situation, the national as well as the international political situation, when they are investing in a share market.